Okay, garden friends, I'm here to give you a what's growing in the habitat garden. So we've got our wax myrtle right there. Sorry, I had to uncover the sign. There we go. There's our wax myrtle. And then we have our twin berry shrub. We've got some sages along the back. And here's our angelica. It looks kind of dried out up here. But if you look down at the base, there's still a nice green plant there. So the flower stalk will die back, but the plant will grow and come back and bloom again next year. Now I've planted several little phacelia plants in here. They don't look all like they're doing great. But here's one of them that seems to have survived so far. And then here's kind of the showpiece right now. This aster is so pretty with its beautiful blooms. And there's another sage, that's our Mexican sage. And a coyote mint. And there's a manzanita. You can see that dug up space, the gophers have found our habitat garden. So Mr. Michael did some treatment to the soil that will hopefully prevent the gophers from coming back. Let's see, there's our other manzanita. And remember those small plants around the manzanitas? That one has milkweed kind of almost all the way in a circle around it. This one's got a couple of milkweeds, and there's a California fuchsia in the back behind it. It looks like maybe a gopher got to this California fuchsia here, because it does not look like it's going to survive. That's disappointing. Okay, let's see. Here's our beautiful Mexican sage. This is our nice big one. And next to it is the buddleia, the butterfly bush. Along the back you can see all the ceanothus. It's called the California lilac. Let's see, I've got a few weeds there that need to get pulled. And here's a coffee berry. And then this beautiful tall plant, I can't wait to see it when it blooms. This is goldenrod. And it's going to have a pretty yellow flower. So I'm really looking forward to that. Behind it we have some seaside daisies. So this one doesn't have any blooms on it right now, but this one does. Look how pretty those are. Let's see, here's another pineapple sage. And here's coffee berry. There's our little coffee berry shrub. That's going to get bigger. They start out little, just like kids, right? They start out little and they get really big. And then we have our grasses over here and our rock wall and our brush pile. There's our other wax myrtle. I've awoken the puppy. All right. There's a nice big comfrey toward the fence. And a sage in front. And another sage with the ceanothus. And I wanted to get back over here to our other twin plant. Let's see, this is the penstemon. So I have two penstemons back here. And last I checked, these seed pods were still pretty firm. But if you look now, they are starting to dry out and they almost look like they're ready to open. That's exciting. I'll have to keep an eye on that and collect those seeds. Alrighty, friends. Well, there was a quick tour of what's growing in the habitat garden. And I hope you guys are having a great week. I'll see you again soon. Take care.